ba? Paikot-ikot? Oh, kaya na yan? Ah, di ba? May pa-shoulder pa? Ayun! Ayun, napaka-talented na. What do we say? Kindly greet your classmates. Sige nga.
Madayaw.
Narinig mo? Anong sabi ng ibon? Sabi niya ay? Madayaw. Because that's how we greet here. Mabuhay o madayaw. Pero hindi ka nagpakilala sa sarili mo. Kindly introduce first your name to your classmates. Sige, what is your name? Lola. Narinig niyo anong pangalan niya? Anyone, can you tell me? Ha? Lola? Hindi po Lola. It's actually, Donald, hindi nila narinig yung pangalan mo. Sige nga, what is your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
Lola. Diba? Donald, medyo British accent po kasi, diba? But anyway, maybe some of you right now might